Welcome friends, welcome to our product review channel. So let's begin our new product review. Stay with us.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a compact, professional-grade treadmill that you can easily fold and store in your home gym, then today's review is exactly what you need. We're checking out the Folding Electric Treadmill, perfect for running, walking, and getting your cardio in, all from the comfort of home. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the features. This treadmill is powered by a quiet electric motor, providing a steady and smooth running experience. It's designed to handle both walking and running with ease, offering speeds that range from a light walk to a more intense run. One of the things I love about this treadmill is the digital display. It tracks your speed, time, distance, and calories burned, so you can easily monitor your progress during your workout. Plus, there are multiple preset workout modes, which are great for targeting different fitness goals, whether you want to do some light cardio or push yourself harder. It's also got a shock-absorbing system, which means less strain on your joints, perfect for long workouts or if you have any concerns about joint health. And for anyone who enjoys listening to music or watching videos while working out, it even has a Bluetooth speaker so you can sync your phone and keep yourself entertained. When it comes to performance, I've been really impressed. The motor runs smoothly and doesn't make a lot of noise. This is key if you live in an apartment or have housemates. No one wants to be disturbed by a loud treadmill. Even at higher speeds, the noise level is surprisingly low. The treadmill stays stable, and there's no wobbling or shaking, which is a common issue with cheaper models. The shock-absorbing deck works really well, providing a smooth experience for both walking and running. Now let's talk about storage. This treadmill is super easy to fold, and it's lightweight, so you can easily move it and store it in a closet or even under your bed. If you're working with limited space, the ability to fold and store it away after every workout is a game changer. Setting it up is a breeze, and once you're on the treadmill, the controls are easy to use, even if you're new to using this. Type of equipment: the non-slip running surface makes sure you're safe during your workout, and the handlebars provide extra support if you need it while walking or jogging. Overall, I found this treadmill to be very user-friendly, and it's easy to get started. Whether you're looking to do a quick walk or a full cardio session, it provides all the functionality you need in a compact, affordable package. So let's break down the pros and cons of this folding electric treadmill. Pros. Compact and foldable design, perfect for small spaces. Quiet motor, great for apartment living. Digital display tracks all your key workout metrics. Shock-absorbing deck for a smoother, joint-friendly workout. Bluetooth speaker for entertainment during your workout. Easy to set up and use for beginners and pros alike. Cons: limited to lower speeds, not ideal for intense runners. The running surface may feel a bit small for taller individuals. Overall, the folding electric treadmill is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a professional quality workout experience at home, without taking up too much space. It's easy to store, quiet during use, and offers enough features for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts. If you're looking for a treadmill that's affordable, compact, and perfect for light to moderate workouts, this one's definitely worth considering. If you liked this review, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and fitness tips. Drop any questions or your thoughts about the treadmill in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.